So, what do you get when you mix a Jackson Big Tuna with a Hobie drive? We're gonna find out. All right, so here we go. Here's the pedal drive. Drop that into place, and I'm just using the factory bungees to hold it in. It's a little loose, moves a little bit, but we'll see how it works. All right, so we're gonna roll pedals, drop them in. Everything moves how it's supposed to. Let's check it from the bottom. Get pretty good clearance all the way back and forth. Now it does stick out a little bit, but it's not gonna make that much of a difference. Looks like we're good to go. Next time we test it on the water.